Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to set up your Lexus dash cam. First, identify the optimal mounting spot on your windshield, usually near the rearview mirror for a clear view. Next, ensure the area is perfectly clean and dry to guarantee strong adhesion. Then, firmly attach the dash cam to the prepared spot. Finally, connect the power cable to the camera and route it neatly to a suitable power outlet, like a USB port or 12-volt socket, ensuring it doesn't obstruct your driving. Once the camera is mounted, carefully route the power cable. Use the included trim tools to tuck the cable along the edge of the windshield and down the A-pillar. This keeps the interior tidy and prevents any dangling wires from obstructing your view or interfering with vehicle operations. Make sure the cable is secure and doesn't impede any safety features, like airbags. Finally, plug the power adapter into your car's 12-volt accessory socket or a USB port, depending on your dash cam model. With power connected, start your Lexus. The dash cam should power on automatically. Now, adjust the camera lens to capture the best possible view of the road ahead, ensuring the horizon is level and the hood is barely visible. Access the dash cam's menu to format the SD card, which is crucial for proper recording. Also, set the correct date and time, and review other essential settings like loop recording duration and G-sensor sensitivity to personalize your device. Before you hit the road, conduct a quick test recording to ensure everything is working perfectly. Play back a short clip to verify video quality and audio capture. Remember to periodically check your SD card for available storage and consider backing up important footage regularly. Keeping your dash cam's firmware updated is also a good practice for optimal performance. For those who love to read anywhere, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy the peace of mind your new Lexus dash cam provides.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.